Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Johnson. Please, before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add a domain name or an email address to whitelist in Exchange Admin Center. So which means by adding a domain name to a whitelist, which means your company should be able to access that domain at any given time. Or you can actually add a domain to a block list if you think that that domain is being used to actually send spam mails to your company. So to actually add a domain name to a whitelist, in the past, this could be done actually from the Exchange Admin Center. But right now, you can see that it says this feature has been moved to Microsoft 365 Defender. So by clicking, if you click here from this link, you'll be actually taken to this option. It's actually the security.microsoft.com. From here, you can actually manage all your security options you have, and this cannot be done anymore from the Exchange Admin Center. So what you need to do here, you can see we have under the policies, threat rules, threat policies, and the anti-spam policies. So we need to actually click on the anti-spam inbound policy. So by clicking on the anti-spam inbound policies, it will actually take you to it gives you this option here. You can see it says the anti-spam inbound policy default. So what you need to do, you need to actually scroll down. By scrolling down, you can see we have the options. It says allow and block senders and domains. So when I click the edit allowed and block senders and domain, you can see we have different options here. It says senders always deliver message from these senders, or sales always deliver message from this domain. But at the same time, we can also block domains. So let me just go to the allow domains, manage allow domains, so I can actually add a specific domain. For example, let me try to add this domain address. Then you need to just click here to add it, and then you see add domain. So that domain has been added. So I'm going to say done. But we can actually decide that, you can see it says domain is 1. We can actually decide to block a specific domain. I can say, okay, I want to block a specific domain. Let me just try to add this domain as well. With just one.com, we can decide to add that domain and block that domain. It says done. Now you can see that we have one domain that has been blocked and one domain that has been allowed. So this is how you actually allow a domain or block a domain from your Exchange Admin Center. But at this moment, it's not actually from your Exchange Admin Center. It's actually going to do that from your security Microsoft 365 Defender at security.microsoft.com. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Calvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.